Down here at the John Hutto Park. The temperature's starting to warm up and melting the snow away. When snow melts, it turns to water, and water turns to mud. Looks like a bunch of people's been all out here. Must have been yesterday. See tire tracks everywhere. Roads are still icy. But the river looks pretty in the snow. Never actually seen it with the snow. Yep, got security cameras back up again. I see one on that tree right there. Oh yeah, I didn't even think about the motocross track. But I don't know how bad the road shouldn't be too bad over there, at least a little ways. And I can get somewhere and turn around. Oh, look at that. I am not about to go walking down that thing either. Snow, ice, and a slide right off into the river. There's another creek over there on that side. Snow's just about all melted. There's that camera right up there on that tree right there. See it with the antenna? Used to be a home site right here many years ago. It's an ice patch. Snow's just gonna turn everything nasty for a few days until it finally dries out. Just never been down here to see it when I definitely couldn't get out and see it yesterday. The snowpocalypse of South Alabama. This is Thursday, so it'd be like day 3 official. And there's some spotty. Mainly a lot of people probably tune in to watch my channel because they don't get out of the house. And they don't know what's going on up the road from where they live or whatever. I am not about to attempt that bridge. See how slow people's coming over it. But I would like to go up into Newton and see the old, town. I could try it though. Luckily, I bet yesterday or the day before when it was really bad, you can see how thick the snow was. That's how thick the ice is. But it is melting into mush. They at least come down here and put some sand, look like some sand on that bridge, so it's helping it. As for in the shade, that's where the snow still is. It won't be like this probably by tomorrow. It'll be all back to normal, the way things look down here. That street right there is frozen over. Bad section right there. Snow day. Everybody yesterday or so was probably out making their snowmen. School, Newton Elementary. Somebody rolled up a snowball. shade, it's like this. As long as you stay in the tracks. Probably be the last of the snow apocalypse videos. It's really getting thin, so roads are looking normal again, especially by tomorrow. It's gonna freeze again tonight, so the snow that is melting is going to turn into ice. Slow down, there's a bad spot right here. Some of these roads has got some rough roads where the surface is jaggy. It's not like fresh paved asphalt. Now if it was, it would be glazed over like a glazed donut. Coming up on 5 Points, and then I'm going to head back into Newton from there. It was like Tuesday night, we had like probably up to a foot of snow all over this place. But with the sun out, clear skies, it's gonna melt it away a little bit, thaw it out into water. As far as most of the roads go, it looks like a normal road, and it's just warm. The sun is putting some temperature into the asphalt, warms your tires up, so when you do go into some icy spots, your tires are helping to melt that snow down. And there is, I paused the camera there, but there's quite a bit of people out on the road, getting out, venturing out, getting supplies. A lot of people's on foot in some of these neighborhoods, and that's up under trees that never loses their leaves, and this is full on winter. And down here in the south is, it's like if you're living in a area that's covered with trees a lot, you're gonna have snow for days. Some snowmen right here. spot right there. The uphill, it don't look too bad. It's just this bridge right here. See the double yellow line, stay in it. Stay where you can actually, if you can see road, stay in that. Shade of this and the out of the sun that hadn't been able to melt yet. Turning on to Campground Road. I think our area where we live got hit hard in spots more than others, like neighborhood by neighborhood, or area by area. But all of the southeast of Alabama was covered in snow. Roads were shut down. Yeah, watch him. Well, he's about to get killed. Flying through here like at 60 mile an hour and you hit some ice. Slow down before you get to it. I'm at 20 mile an hour. Where these trees cover the road, that's where it's bad. There's some tracks where somebody's been off in the ditch there. Back to snow apocalypse. It looks fine from here on the road, but when you get around this curve right here where these trees are shaded, it gets a little dicey, but it's melting away. It's going to be frozen back over by tonight. in these little spots here. Actually ever been back far as the snow goes. See what the other end of the road looks like. Oh. There's your view looking back up the hill. Hopefully this summer we get this road paved.